Hello, let's count together. From 1 all the way to 10. Are you ready? Here we go. Number 1. 1 apple. Look, just one. Number 2. 2 butterflies. Let's count. 1, 2. That's 2. Number 3. 3 frogs. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. That's 3. Number 4. 4 little ducklings. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4. Number 5. 5 strawberries. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5. Number 6. 6 cupcakes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6. Number 7. 7 stars. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7. Number 8. 8 little fish. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8. Number 9. 9 balloons. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9. Number 10. 10 juicy strawberries. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We counted to 10. We did it. We counted all the way to 10. Let's say them all once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great counting.